In this video, we're going to look at the concept behind parallel lines for this exam. And after going through this video, I guarantee you that you will understand the idea behind angles around parallel lines for maths exam. So ensure you stay to the very end of this video. As usual, I will give you guys a practice maths question on this topic to test your knowledge on it at the end of the video. Parallel line, very important for geometry. You will see in your maths exam. Okay, so let's go into details of the video. Now, let's begin with what is known as alternate angle. Alright, so let's begin with alternate angles. Okay, now note that alternate angles are the same. Alright, they are found in a Z shape. So when you have something like this, let me draw a Z shape. Alright, so when you have something like this an example of an alternate angle. This is what Z shape. Okay, now in this shape, this arrow here and this arrow you will see here indicates that this line here is parallel to the line below. The line up is parallel to the line what below. Okay, so in alternate angle, the angles are the same. For instance, let's say this is angle A, this will also be what? Angle A. That means if 30 degrees is here, 30 degrees will also be what? Here. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Now let's look at the next type of angle, which is what? Corresponding angle. Alright, now note that corresponding angles are the same. They are found in an F shape. So when you have something like this, let me draw an F shape, something like this. Okay, let's say you have angle A here. Let's say you have angle A here. This place will also be what? Angle A. Okay. Alright, so this arrow here indicates that the line up here is parallel to the line down here. Okay, that means if 60 degrees is here for A, 60 degrees also be what? Here for A here. Okay, so this is basically what corresponding angles entails. Now this is found in what? F shape. So that's the basic thing you have to know regarding corresponding angles. Now let's wipe this and look at the last type of angle I have for this video, which is known as allied angles. Okay, so let's wipe this. Okay, now the next one we have, which is known as what? Allied angles. Note that allied angles add up to 180 degrees. They are found in a C or U shape. Alright, now for instance, let's begin with C shapes. If you have something like this, we have a shape like this. Alright, so this is a typical example of an allied angle. Let's angle A, this is angle B. Okay, so angle A plus angle B will equal to 180 degrees. Alright, so the arrow here shows that the line up and the line down are parallel. The same thing is applicable to when you have a shape like this. Let's say this time around a U shape, you have something like this. Okay, now when you have a shape like this is a U shape. This is angle B and this is angle A. Okay, the same thing is applicable. Angle A plus angle B will equal to 180 degrees. So the arrow here indicates that they are parallel to each other. Okay, so they are found in either C or U shape. Okay, so that's basically what you have to know regarding parallel lines for your maths exam under geometry. Okay, now let's wipe this. Let me give you guys a practice maths question on this regarding these parallel lines and see if you can figure it out. And after you can call it a class. Okay, so in this shape, before you wipe, you have something like this, so it can be continuous. All right, so let's wipe this. Okay guys, now Feel free to pause this video and see if you can figure this out. We have to find the value of x in this figure we have here, or in this shape we have here. Okay, let's do it together. Now, this is allied angle. This is not alternate angle. All right, it's not alternate angle because if you look at this angle here, it's facing this side, and even the equation, the shape is like this. The angles are like this. It would have been alternate. Okay, but since this time around, this angle here is facing this side. Okay, this side instead of this side is not what alternates. So this is allied angle. All right, remember, in allied angle, the shape we had it to be something like this in form of C shape. All right, so we had our allied angle to be like this, A and B. All right, so we have this dot dot that is continuous. All right, okay, now when I say that A plus B will add up to 180 degrees, that means since this is allied angle, it's not alternate angle. All right, it's allied angle. That means both angle, the angle here and the angle here, add up to 180. So we're going to have 3x plus 75 degrees, all right, plus x minus 15 degrees equals 180 degrees. So when you collect like terms, we're going to have 3x plus x, then we're going to have 4x. 75 degrees minus 15 degrees is going to give us 60 degrees. So we have plus 60 degrees equals 180 degrees. So we make x the solid formula. This 60 will cross over the equality sign, change to negative. We're going to have 4x equals 180 minus 60 degrees, which will give us what? When we punch in the calculator, we're going to have it to be 120 degrees. Now divide both sides by 4. Okay, 4 into 120. So we're going to have it to be what? 30 degrees. So that means the value of x, our x, will be what? 30 degrees. Alright, so we plug in 30 here and here and do the math. 30 times 3, that's 90, plus 75, plus, now we have 30 minus 15, that's 15. So when you add everything, 90 plus 75 plus 15, you get back to 180 degrees. Alright, so that will be the answer to this question. So this is basically how you can deal with problems involving parallel lines for the maths exam under geometry measures. Hope there's something interesting for this video. Now, if you are new to the channel, check the description of this video below now for a link to our Telegram channel. Click on the join the Telegram channel for instant notification. Also ensure you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this topic, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Now, click on the explain above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.